Jumbo jet. It wasn't easy, but nothing is. No. Woo-hoo! When I feel heavy metal, woo-hoo! And I feel that I need a woo-hoo! When I lie and I'm easy all of the time, but I'm never sure why I need you. Please I need you. When I was young, it's not my problem. It's not my problem. When I feel heavy metal, and I feel that I need a when I lie and I'm easy all of the time, but I'm never sure why I need you.
Righty, we're going to play some more Unsigned original music now, guys. I've been kindly given a copy, a sneak preview, if you like, of a new single from Hegarty. It has been knocking around the internet for a little bit of time, but this is the actual final recording of their forthcoming album. It's absolutely amazing. It's called I Only Dream. I've done a bit of singing on the old backing vocals on this as well. Such a great tune, this, guys, and this is the polished version of it. This is the finished version. They've decided that's it, we're done, it's finished, it's going on the album. This is an absolute belter of a track, guys. Turn up your speakers. This is Hegarty, I Only Dream.
Everyone I hear
Now then, how good is that song? You listen to that song, don't you? And you just know it's gonna go big. It has to go big, man. Something has to happen with that song. That cannot go unnoticed. It's just far too good. It really is. That's Hegarty, by the way, guys. I Only Dream, if you're just tuning in. Do get on there. Do get on their Facebook page, guys. They have got a website up and coming very shortly, but that is amazing. Not only that, but I mean, I've had the luxury to sit in the studio with these lads and listen to exactly what is coming at you, and I swear to God, every song on the album is brilliant. I kid you not. Right, another band doing very, very well at the minute, and they're also looking for gigs in Liverpool at the moment. They're a Manchester band. They've smashed Manchester, but they're looking to expand. So any bands throughout Liverpool who want to get these on the bill, do get in touch with them. Ben Corrie is the guy you need to talk to from the Madding Crowd. This is the Madding Crowd. This is God's Greatest Floor. This is an absolute tunage. Unsigned and original music on Roundtown Radio, showcasing the best of the best acts throughout Liverpool and the Northwest.
When you dance with the devil,
I'm left out. I will never be a rock star.
Roundtown original and unsigned music every Sunday 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. Such a good tune, that, innit? It's got balls, it's risky, it's fucking wonderful. Right, another band I'm going to play for you tonight, guys. This band is signed now. They're making progress. They're a pretty big band. They've got a gig coming up, actually, in the Magnet very shortly. I think it's the 1st of March. Just let me, here we go. Sorry, I'm talking shit. It's the 11th of March in the Magnet in Liverpool. Now, if you don't know who Clean Cut Kids are, they're absolutely brilliant. They are signed by Universal. They are making massive progress. This is, I would enter these into the chart, but then it wouldn't be fair because, unfortunately for me, they are signed, which is a shame. This is Clean Cut Kid, guys. Runaway. Belter.